Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and stay safe and healthy at your places. So, students, now it's time for English session. So, take out your child-centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2 Joyful C. And now, come on, page number 5. So, last video we have completed our alphabets A to Z, right? So today once again we will do revision of letters A to L, right? So students, are you doing practice at home? Very good. Okay, so let's start. Okay, tell me, what is this? Which picture is this? Yes, this is an apple, right? And this is baby letter A, right? So A apple, A ant, A alligator. Now which picture is this? Yes, this is a bat. So beaver bat, beaver ball, beaver bell, right? Now which picture is this? Yes, this is a car. Seek a car. Okay, seek a cat. Seek a cap. Right? Now this one. This is a duck. Did a duck. Did a dog. Did a drum. And this one. This is an elephant. E-a elephant. E-a egg. E-a engine. Right? And this one. This is a fish. F for fish. F for fan. F for flag, right? And which picture is this? This is a goat. Jig goat. Jig grapes. Jig guitar, right? Now this one. This is a horse. H her horse. H her hat. H her hen. And this is an insect. I-E insect. I-E ink pot. I-E India, right? And this picture, this is jam. J-J jam. J-J joker. J-J jet. And this one, this is a kite. Cake kite. Cake kangaroo. Cake king, right? And this one, this is a lion. L lion. L lamb. L lemon, right? Okay. Now let's see some more pictures related to these letters, right? This is mama letter A. This is baby letter A. This is A apple. This is A X. This is A ant. This is A arrow. This is A airplane. This is A anchor. This is A alligator, right? Okay. Now, which letter is this? Yes, this is mama letter B. This is baby letter B. This is beaver butterfly. This is beaver bread. This is beaver beetle. This is beaver broccoli. This is beaver basketball. This is beaver bicycle, right? Okay, now this one. This is mama letter C. This is baby letter C. This is seek cat. This is seek cake. These are seek candles. This is seek cow. These are seek crayons, right? This is seek castle. This is seek car. This is seek camel. Now this one. This is mama letter D. This is baby letter D. Okay. Now this is D dad. This is D dog. This is D desk. This is D drink. This is D dinner. This is D desert. This is D dice. This is D darts. Okay. Now which letter is this? This is mama letter E. This is baby letter E. Now see, this is E elephant. This is E engine. This is E A envelope. This is E A egg. These are E A eggs. Okay. Now this is E A earth. This is E A ear. This is E A eagle. Now this is mama letter F. This is baby letter F. This is F for fish. This is F for fan. These are F for fruits. These are F for flowers. This is F for frog. This is F for family. This is F for fairy. Okay. Now, which letter is this? Yes, this is mama letter G. G. This is baby letter G. G. These are G. grapes. This is G. guitar. This is G. girl. This is G. giraffe. This is G. gate. This is G. green. Okay, color green. This is G. grass. Now, this letter. This is mama letter H. This is baby letter H. Right? This is H. house. This is H. hat. This is H. helicopter. This is H. hammer. These are H. hands. This is H. horse. This is H. heart. Okay. Now, this letter. This is mama letter I. E. This is baby letter I. E. This is I. E. ice cream. This is I. E. iron. This is I. E. ink. This is I. E. igloo. These are I. E. insects. This is I. E. ice cube. This is I. E. infant. Now, this is mama letter J. J. This is baby letter J. J. Okay. This is J. J. jar. This is J. J. jelly. This is J. J. jam. This is J. J. juice. This is J. J. jellyfish. This is J. J. jackal. This is J. J. jacket. This is J. J. jet. This is J. J. jeans. This is J. J. Jupiter. Now, this is mama letter K. K. This is baby letter K. K. This is K. K. kite. This is K. K. key. This is K. K. kangaroo. This is K. K. kettle. This is K. K. king. This is K. K. kit. This is K. K. knife. Okay, K is silent here, right? Knife. But it starts from letter K, right? Now, this is mama letter L. L. This is baby letter L. L. This is L. Lion. This is L. Lotus. This is L. Leaf. This is L. Lock. This is L. Lamp. This is L. Ladder. This is L. Lips. Okay. So today we will do letter A to L. Okay. And you have to correlate some pictures and objects with related these letters. Okay. Now it's writing time, so take out your English notebook with your pencil and eraser. Okay. So you have to write on your notebook. Okay. Start. This is mama letter A. A. This is baby letter A. A. Okay. And you have to do practice, right? Then this is mama letter B. B. This is baby letter B. B. This is mama letter C. K. This is baby letter C. K. This is mama letter D. D. This is baby letter D. D. This is mama letter E. A. This is baby letter E. This is mama letter F. This is baby letter F. Okay. This is mama letter G. This is baby letter G. This is mama letter H. This is baby letter H. Okay. Now this is mama letter I. E. This is baby letter I. E. Now this is mama letter J. This is baby letter J. This is mama letter K. This is baby letter K. This is mama letter L. This is baby letter L. Okay. So in this way you have to do practice in your English notebook. Okay. You can do practice with crayon colors on drawing sheet also. Then you have to do practice in your English notebook. Okay, students. So in this way you have to do practice to recognize these mama letters as well as baby letters. Okay, students. And you have to do practice in your English notebook, and you have to send me your regular work, right? And you have to uh, speak in complete sentence while showing some objects or pictures through your videos. Okay, so try to speak in complete sentence, like this is an apple, this is beaver bag, this is a car, this is duck, like this. Okay, so okay, parents, you get some picture cards like this with your book sets, right? And you can show these picture cards to your child and ask your child, like, which picture is this? Your whose picture is this? Like this. Then let the child speak in complete sentence, like this is a cat. Seek a cat, like this. Okay, and like this you can ask which picture is this. Then let the child speak in complete sentence. This is a beaver bag, like this. This is beaver bag, right? In this way you can show some picture cards or objects, whatever available at home, you can show them and let the child speak in complete sentence, right? Okay, so do practice. And now today's English session is over.